binge. Tryna fuck on a few twins. Hey, my fam out on the hill somewhere. They don't know where the pool is. Mad rooms.
Hello guys. So in today's video we're gonna be working with Lumiere Hair, and today of course is gonna be something different. We're gonna go back into my old days when I used to always do the watercolor method, and today, pay attention you guys, I will not be repeating myself in the comments. Pay attention please. Alright, I had to make sure it was recording because I'm recording from my phone, you guys. My camera's dead. Today we're going to be using Adore by Crimson number 68. Can you guys see it? Adore by Crimson number 68. I'm going to be using the RZ Moist conditioner. I also use this on my natural hair. And like I said, today we're going to be working with Lumiere Hair. Right now, as you can see, I'm filling up my sink with hot water. My hot water is no joke, so I need to add some cold water in that. This thing is steaming OD, and it's not that hot, but it's hot. Yeah, it's hot. So, while that's filling up, this is the hair I was sent. I was sent a 24-inch curly hair, well, Waterwave. And you guys know I just recently did a curly hair. I was thinking, what can I do to make this company different? And I'm going to color my hair, y'all. I'm going to color my hair. I think that's enough water. I'm going to color my hair. I'm going to make this hair look good. And I always get questions like, do the color stains the lace? For me, absolutely not. But this is the hair Waterwave, baby. This is a T-part wig. Y'all know I have a love-hate relationship with these wigs, but we're gonna make this work. Yeah, we're gonna make this work, right? Yeah, so don't worry, y'all. This is the lace and everything. All right, so now I'm gonna fill up my water once again with the Crimson 68 Red. Okay, I hope this don't stay in the sink. Oh well. So we're gonna fill it up. Okay, so y'all, when it comes to the watercolor method, all you're really doing, ooh, this thing is going crazy. You're dipping the hair and brushing it as you go. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start dipping the hair. I think I should have combed this hair out before I did this, but hopefully everything is getting colored. You guys see how quickly that colored? So I'm gonna let that sit in there for a couple minutes because this water is hot. And yeah, this hair got colored quickly, y'all. I love it, but the bottom is more red. It's gonna look pink on camera, of course, but when it dries, y'all gonna see the real thing. Oh my god, the sink is getting stained up, so let me hurry up. Okay, so y'all, I'm gonna pour the rest of, I didn't even have, to be honest you guys, I did not even have a full bottle of Crimson. It was like a half, and this is why watercolor method is way easier. So I'm gonna pour the rest of all the color in here, and I'm just gonna let that sit. Mix that all up because I want my hair red, like on some Brianna red, man. Nah, I don't want it that red. So now that that's all mixed up, I'm gonna go ahead and let the hair sit in there for about, I don't know, 5 minutes. Now this looks pretty, y'all. This looks mad pretty. I need to get a thumbnail of this. This looks mad pretty. This is so pretty. I'm gonna let that sit in there, y'all. And I'll be back when it's done, okay? I'll be back when I'm taking the hair out. Alright you guys, so it's been about a couple of minutes, like 2-3 minutes or whatever. So we're gonna take this hair out and we're gonna see how this hair looking. And y'all are ready. Oh my god, man. Yeah, I love it. Do you guys see? I hope you guys can see, but yo, can they see it, Alina?
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys can see. Yo, this hair is fire, man. Yeah, it matches my braces. Yeah, this hair right here. Oh man. So we about to wring all that out. Now, usually what I would do, right? I would just rinse the hair out and I'm done. You feel me? But I'm going to condition this hair, take all that extra color out, and hold on, first let me let out this water. Ooh. Everything legit turned red, and this is not my fault. I don't know who did this, but it wasn't me. This sink is red, and my mom's gonna kill me. But that's nothing bleach can't fix, you feel me? I'm gonna just put a little bit of Ajax in the sink.
It's red? Again?
Okay, so now that that's done, like I said, I'm gonna go in with my Aussie Moist conditioner on the hair. This hair is fire, y'all.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this hair is so fire. Alright. We're gonna go in with cold water to lock in the hair color. Cold water, you guys. And I'm gonna just OD with this hair conditioner. This is the hair with conditioner in it. This wave is so freaking pretty. It's like I love Waterwave because it's not too curly and it's not too, you know, straight. It's like perfect. So this will be it for this video, you guys. Tomorrow you guys will see me installing this hair.
With a new ground and a new tone, you can cry now, I'ma still go. Don't hit my phone unless my blue binge. Tryna